name is Liz and welcome to Nothing But Bags. Hi, my name is Liz and welcome to Nothing But Bags. I call this space Nothing But Bags because when I'm getting ready to go somewhere, I consider my outfit to be the accessory because my handbag is the main event. Whether this is your first time clicking on my videos because this channel was recommended to you, or you're one of my returning fellow handbag addicts, subscribers, supporters, or friends around here, either way, I appreciate that you clicked this video from the bottom of my heart. As you saw from the thumbnail on top of this video, this is a tag video to choose 5 bags and 3 SLGs that you would have to carry for 12 months. That means your entire collection that you have, you can't use any of those bags except for these 5 bags, and you can't use any of your SLGs but these 3. This tag was created by the Right Handbag. You'll see her channel scrolling around or swimming around on the screen right now. And I was tagged by my friend here on YouTube, Mandy from Just One More Bag. Thank you, Mandy, for thinking of me for this tag. I appreciate you. So let's get into it. What 3 SLGs would I be able to live with for 12 months and couldn't use any of my other ones? As far as the wallet is concerned, I absolutely love the zip card case from Coach. I have it in 2 different colors. This black one was a gift from my handbag sister, Simply D. And this dark stone one is one I purchased to go with another bag, my Coach Lana there. I love this wallet because it has a ID window. It has 2 card slots on the front as well as an extra one. And then it has this huge amount of space on the inside. No other pockets, but you can fit cash in here, change in here, and other cards. So if I could only live with 3 SLGs, this would have to be one of them. It's the zip card case from Coach. But I love this this wallet. If I only had 3 SLGs, one of them would have to be a wallet, and I think I could live with this I know I could live with this wallet for 12 months. The next SLG that I would want to have for that 12 months is going to be my cosmetic pouch from Longchamp. I love these cosmetic pouches. They are nylon, so they take a whole lot of stuff inside of them. They really stretch and expand to fit all of your things. Has a zip closure. And the cool thing about this one is this can be converted into a crossbody bag. If you buy a conversion kit off of Amazon, you could add 2 little D-rings to this top handle bag, and it comes with a crossbody strap, and you can carry this as a crossbody. So it's a great catch-all to go inside of my bag because it can carry all of the things. Because it's nylon, you can get a whole heck of a lot of stuff in here. And on top of that, it can also convert into a crossbody bag if I need a little micro bag or mini bag. So this Longchamp cosmetic pouch would definitely be one of my SLGs. And my final SLG is going to be my Coach Nolita. I have several of these in different fabrications. I have this in the dark denim cherry print, the regular cherry print. I have one in this pink color, this denim one. I got one from the recent newspaper drop. I've got a leopard print one, and I've also got one in this dark stone color. So I would just pick one of those to carry. They're great catch-alls. Again, they carry a whole heck of a lot. You can use it as a cosmetic pouch. It's got a lot of space in it. It also has 2 little card slots in it if you needed to add some extra cards. And finally, it can also be converted into a little crossbody bag. For most of them, I have cut off this little strap off the bag because I would never carry the bag as a little small bag like that because I'm a big girl and this is already up under my arm. So I would never carry this as a shoulder bag. You can add a strap extender and put it on here to make this a little bit longer to carry as a shoulder bag. But typically, if I was going to use this, I would add a chain strap to this and carry this as a crossbody. So I would be able to do that if I needed to in a pinch. But as a SLG, this would absolutely be one that I could get through 12 months with. So this Nolita, this Longchamp cosmetic pouch, and my Coach corner zip card case. These 3 SLGs would be ones that I could make it through 12 months if I could only use these 3. Now, in addition to only having 3 SLGs that I could use for 12 months, I would only be able to use 5 of my bags. I own about 70 plus bags behind me. So it's going to be a bit of a challenge, but we're doing an exercise. And I think it's a very smart exercise because it's the bags that you immediately think of when you're like, these are bags I need in my collection. And the first bag I'm going to pick is going to be my Loewe puzzle bag. If I could only have 5 bags for 12 months, my Loewe puzzle bag has to be one of them. I adore this bag. If you've been on my channel before, you already know I'm crazy about the Loewe puzzle bag. I have this in the mini size in this beautiful brown color. So this color would go with anything. I don't care if I'm dressing up or dressing down. This bag works. It's small enough to be an adorable crossbody, but also a great top handle bag. It is, like I said, this can be to a casual event or to something dressy. It can go travel with you. You can't fit everything in it. It is a mini bag, but it has a nice capacity to it. So you toss in, again, I have to 12 months, I have to use one of these wallets. So I pop a wallet in here, hand sanitizer, lotion, a little pouch for the bathroom. But I could take this bag and go somewhere to run errands transactionally. This could be a date night bag. This could be a bag, as I said, to take to travel. I absolutely love my Loewe puzzle bag in the mini size. I would love to have this in a small as well, but the small is like $4,000. We don't have no time for that. So for now, this is the only Loewe puzzle bag that I own. And if I had to only have 5 bags for 12 months, my Loewe puzzle bag would have to be one of them. So my Loewe puzzle bag would be like an errand running bag, a date night bag, transactional bag, travel bag. But I would also need my Longchamp Les Pliage in the size large, and it's in this navy blue color. This bag would be a great work bag for 12 months, a great travel bag for 12 months. I could actually fold this bag up and stick it in my suitcase if I needed to, if I was traveling for that 1 year and needed an extra bag to carry, or this could be my carry-on, and I go ahead and nest a couple of handbags in here for the trip. But my Longchamp Les Pliage would have to be a bag in my rotation for that 12 months. This week, when I started the week, I was going to do my Dooney bag to go to the clinic every day. And it was raining that first morning on Monday. So I was like, well, I can't take this bag out in the rain, I guess. So I immediately switched right into one of my Longchamp totes, and it worked perfectly. This bag is a great bag to not worry about it. You don't have to stress. The leather isn't going to tarnish. You're not going to get any droplets on here. Your oil from your fingers or your lotion is not going to cause any fingerprints on this leather. This nylon material, don't have to worry about it getting wet in the rain. It can be folded up and put up into a suitcase. If I had to limit myself to 5 bags for 12 months, my Longchamp Les Pliage would have to be one of those 5 bags. One of my newest bags in my collection is my Rogue 31, and I'm going to say it has to be one of my 5 handbags. The reason being because this bag is all the things. So I've got that little small Loewe puzzle bag for transactional stuff. I've got my Longchamp for work or for travel. This is going to be my everyday bag. This bag is a bag that I can put all of the things I want to carry. I don't have to worry about I can't use this pouch because it's too big for the bag. Or I can't take my bathroom pouch because I don't have enough space. Or I need to use a card holder. I can't use a wallet because I need to keep as much space as I can for my contents. I don't worry about any of those things. The things I like to carry in my bag, my essentials that I feel comfortable carrying every day, all fit in this bag with some room to spare. And again, if I'm only going to have 3 SLGs, this one goes perfect with this bag, right? The black goes perfect with this bag. So this would definitely be my everyday, all day, every day, going to the clinic, running errands, doing whatever I want to do bag. This would have to be one of my 5 bags in my collection for the 12 months, my Rogue 31. So my Loewe puzzle bag, transactional, running errands, possibly a date night bag. My Longchamp Les Pliage, work, rainy day, travel, my tote. My Rogue 31 is my everyday bag, the bag I take every single day because for a year, I'm gonna need a bag that I can just use in between activities and events. And of course, I want some special occasion. my Speedy Trunk 25. So I got 12 months. Y'all got to give me at least one bag I can use for special occasions. If I'm going to a wedding, if I'm going to a funeral, if I'm going to a party, if I'm going to brunch, I need a bag that's a special occasion, good looking bag that could also be carried if I wanted to throughout the course of the day, depending on what I'm going to do. That would definitely be my Speedy Trunk 25. This bag is stunning. That beautiful monogram across the front and back of it. The sides are reverse monogram, has this beautiful studding design up the sides of the bag, beautiful little brass feet like a real trunk, and black leather top handle along with a black leather shoulder strap here as well. This would absolutely be my special occasions bag. I think if I'm going to have to only have 5 bags for 12 months, I should have something for special occasions. And that would definitely be this one. And finally, for 12 months, I need my Ricky bag from Ralph Lauren. I need my Ricky bag. It's a denim bag. So this would give me denim. I'll then have a blue bag for my Longchamp. I'll have a black bag with my Rogue 31, my brown bag with my Loewe puzzle bag. I have my Speedy Trunk 25 for special occasions, and I need a denim bag. I need at least one denim bag. Now, of course, I could use my denim Nolita, but again, I have about 6 or 7 Coach Nolitas, I think. And so if I wanted to use one of my more neutral Coach Nolitas instead of this denim one, then I wouldn't have a denim piece at all to carry in my collection for 12 months. And I just think this bag will be perfect. My Ricky bag from Ralph Lauren is a beautiful satchel, has these beautiful denim handles. It fits a whole lot. It's a beautiful, you have all of the denim shades, that light stonewash all the way to your more rich blue. It has some leather strips on the bottom to lift the bag up from the surface. This is a very big girl bag. So if I want to go somewhere and I'm wearing a denim shirt, or I'm doing all denim head to toe, or I'm doing a white t-shirt and some jeans, I need a denim bag for that. So I think this bag would be absolutely perfect in my 5-bag rotation for 12 months. If you decide to do this tag, please make sure that you give credit to the Right Handbag for creating it. While it's fun to come up with great ideas, we also want people to get credit for the work that they put into coming up with new ideas. I would like to tag AllThingsChele, Angelle, your channels are on the screen now, Bag Dreams with DatgrlLo. I'd like to tag Coco Anashe, if she would mind doing this tag. Officially ToyToy, and DemiLuxee. One more person, Timeka Nicole. Timeka Nicole. So again, your channels are scrolling on the screen right now. If you decide to do this tag, any of you, please make sure that you give credit to the Right Handbag, as she's the one that created this tag, not me. I just thought of you all when I was trying to think of who I wanted to tag to do this video as well. Thank you so much, Mandy, for including me on this tag. I sincerely appreciate it. Whenever you're creating content around here, it does become challenging sometimes to come up with new ideas and topics. So it's always helpful when your friends think about you when a tag is going around. And it was a fun tag because I'd never heard anybody do anything like this before. Thank you to the Right Handbag for creating the tag. And obviously, anytime Liz at Nothing But Bags does a tag and you watch the video, if you are inspired or motivated to do the tag, you don't need me to formally invite you to do it. You just simply do the video, make sure that you tag the person that created the tag, and I appreciate that you even got inspired by what I did. Anyway, drop down in the comment section and tell me, what 5 bags would you choose and 3 SLGs if you could only use those 8 pieces out of your collection for 12 whole months? And the only other thing I ask of you is that you have an absolutely wonderful day.